Where are you going, Gani? Going to?
Where are you going now?
Church.
Where are you going?
Church.
Where is Papa Jesus?
Where's Papa Jesus?
Where's Papa Jesus?
Heaven.
What is Papa Jesus doing in heaven?
Watching Amara. Where's Papa Jesus? Heaven. What Papa Jesus doing? Watching Amara.
Amara.
Yeah, she's watching Amara. Read your Bible, pray every day.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Baby.
So guys, we are going inside the church now with Amara and hubby. Amara, hi.
Apple. Bye.
Let's walk then. We're done guys at church. Hi. Where are you going?
Say hi.
Hi guys.
Say hi guys. Hi guys! So we are currently here sa Burnaby kasi pupunta kami sa isang event ng Taiwanese and marami silang binibentang mga street foods and also mga things from Taiwan. So tara, let's go! I'm with the fam bam! Sila mommy. So, nag-scan lang kami dyan para makita namin dito sa phone yung mga binibenta nila doon sa loob.
If you want to get into a splash zone, please come in here to the front.
Ito yung kanilang mga food choices. So, order kami ng rice. $6 lang. So, ito lahat yung in-order namin. Bumili kami ng braised pork rice. Ang dami namin in-order para matry lang namin. May omelette, chicken with we are eating our ice cream. So I got Amara 1 scoop of strawberry and 1 scoop of vanilla.
Huh?
Wow, di mo na ikuha. Kain lang bebe kay grabe ka edit guys. Pero nakita kami sa tambayan. Dito sa may unahan, may ara isang lapad na park. Look. May nakita si Habi na ano. Ano tawag sinabi? Ano tawag? Bubbles?
Ha?
May nakita ka ba nga bubbles? Ako ako strawberry favorite. Dahil smile kita, dahil smile. Dance mo, dance. Hi, Amara. What are you eating? What are you eating? You answer, Mama. What are you eating? What's that? Ice cream. Oh, Dada's right there. Oh, you wanna go to Dada? Huh? What is that? Did you say thank you, bebe? Ay! Guy! Again, be. Again, blow it. Ay! Oh, again. Blow it, blow. Ay! Oh, blow it, blow. 1. Ay! 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 Funny! That's yay! That's the Mimi, be? So, because spring na, damo na gitsang events dere around Vancouver. So, anywhere may mga food trucks, may mga like festivals and all. So, now, ang atuan namon is Taiwanese festival. So, more on ano siya guys, like food, tapos may mga booth po sila sa mga cultural stuff na ilang ginabenta. And also may mga performances and everything. So very nice lang dali sa Vancouver pag spring and summer. Kaya pag spring, hindi masyado init. May init, pero malamig ang hangin. So, I like it. Nagkadag ko ang ilang uwak, oh. Grabe ka dag ko. Invite pala si mami ng something doon sa event. Ano siya, may cream corn cones. Siyempre, from TNT. TNT nino? Eh? I ate it na
You do inside the car. We're almost there.
Yoyoy naman. Yoyoy naman? We're going home! Hi! Are you tired? Huh? Tired? Hi guys! So we are in the park today. Currently here sa Bear Creek. Malapit lang to sa bahay namin, like 5 minutes away. So, pumunta kami dito kasi gusto namin dalhin si Fraser sa dog park. And after that, meron kasi kaming pick up in Ilocos Empanada na in-order ko sa Facebook Marketplace. So, let's go! So, ngayon guys, medyo marami yung tao kasi spring na kasi and puno talaga yung parking. Maganda kasi yung weather dito pag spring and especially summer. So, daming nagpipiknik. Sobrang lawak ng Bear Creek. Tapos, meron pa dun sa kabilang side. Dada's right there! We're going to the dog park. Hadlock siya. Super nice. Tapos minsan, yung mga ganito nila, meron pa mga salmon. And dito na yung dog park. Your dada is there, bebe. Oh, kita nyo yung sinagsang adlaw, guys. Sa Pilipinas, do mga 5 p.m. But here, 7:30 na. And still, maliwanag pa rin. Kasi mamaya pa mag-sunset. Mga 9 p.m. pa. So, dito na si Fraser sa loob. Go! Go inside! Go inside faster! Go! Oh, the That's okay. Okay lang, anak.
Oh, it's cute. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, Dada. Yan. Diba? Sit down, Dada.
Hi. Okay.
Razor. Razor, no.
Okay, no. Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Bark. 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 Spin. Sit. Hi. A choo-choo train? Like a choo-choo train? You ride the choo-choo train? You're so cute. Razor! It's okay, bebe. That's Kuya.
Razor. Ay. Ay, wala na.
Say,
Come
come on.
Come here.
Where is Mr.
Oh, the bus,
Sun?
oh, bus. There. Oh, there, bus. Why, bus? Hi.
Yay! Ilocos Empanada.
Puti lang ito.
Yeah, ang husband niya is puti. And ang wife niya is Ilocana. From Ilocos mismo. So, yung binila namin ng Ilocos Empanada, guys, yung husband niya is puti. Canadian, and yung wife niya is Filipina. So, she's Ilocana from Ilocos talaga. So, we're gonna try their Ilocos Empanada. And mag-rate kami mamaya. And tatag namin sila sa Facebook. Kasi nakita namin sila sa Facebook Market. So, I'm so excited. And grabe siya kamot. So, in order ko is 4 pieces. Yung original. And if magustuhan namin yung kanilang product is mag-order kami ulit. Kasi mayroon silang mga 4 pa na flavors. And umorder ako ng isang regular size na sauce. Ngayon na naman ka, gas, Rambo.
Gapon naman ng pag-aaral.
Mangayo ka na naman, Rambo, sang gas.
The drinks is here?
Sorry?
The drinks inside?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Business name. And search nyo lang sa Facebook, guys. Sa mga taga Vancouver. Oh, dako magaling siya, be. Tapos may sauce. Wow! Gitagaan niyo ito extra sauce. Very nice. So, here's the Ilocos Empanada. So, we order ng original.
Eat McDonald's? Ano yung lasa niya? Damo ka na. Punta ako na sa kuwan. Okay, ni. Na.
Rate out of 1 out of 10.
9.
9.
Ano siya? Diba yun ikaw? Empanada? Pero hindi ka na malugi sa utso ba? Dako. Isa nakakaunan, no? Dako.
That's it for our video. Bye.